Healthy, easy chocolate glazed donuts? Yes, please. You'll need 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of oat flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa, and 1 packet of PureTrim's chocolate shake. Go ahead and mix all of those dry ingredients together, and we're going to move on to the wet ingredients. You'll need 2 egg whites, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and 3 tablespoons of raw honey. Go ahead and mix all of your wet ingredients together, and then slowly mix your dry ingredients in with your wet ingredients. Once mixed together, you're going to move it into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag with the corner cut off and fill your donut pan. Pop these in the oven at 350 for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take them out, let them cool while we work on the frosting. The frosting is super easy. It's just 1 can of organic coconut cream mixed with 1 packet of PureTrim's chocolate shake powder. Mix that on low until it's thoroughly mixed together, and then simply dip your donuts into the frosting. And there you have it, easy, delicious chocolate glazed donuts by PureTrim. Head over to puretrim.com to grab your shakes today.